Hi everyone, today I'll show you how to build a solid project foundation in just a few simple steps. Step 1. Workspace and project selection. Start by logging into your ClickUp workspace, which serves as your digital command center. Head to the left sidebar to browse your projects and select the specific one you want to plan, whether it's a product launch or a marketing campaign. Step 2. Activating the Gantt view. Next, locate the View selector at the top of your project screen. Click on View and select Timeline to unlock your visualization tools. Once you're in the Timeline options, select Gantt. Think of this as a calendar on steroids that displays your tasks along a horizontal schedule. Step 3. Building the project backbone. Now, let's add some tasks. Locate the Add Task button and begin entering your project phases, such as research, design, and development. Each new task will appear as a bar on your timeline, ready to be scheduled. Step 4. Setting dates and adjusting the schedule. To assign dates, simply click a taskbar to open its detail pane and choose a start and due date from the calendar pop-up. As your timeline fills up, look for overlaps or gaps. If dates need to change as the project evolves, you can easily adjust them to match your team's pace. Step 5. Dependencies and customization. To keep things organized, manage your dependencies by dragging the connector from one taskbar to another. This ensures one task finishes before the next one begins. You can also click any taskbar to assign a specific color, making it easy to categorize or prioritize your work visually. Follow these steps and you'll have a professional project schedule in no time. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.